Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find the MoneyGram promo codes in 2025. So in order to do that, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for MoneyGram promo codes. You can even type 2025 after that query. Once you do that, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you 75% off on moneygram.com. So you just have to open the website in a new tab in which you are interested. So let's say I'm interested in this particular website. So you can just hop on to that website and you can take a look at the offers that they are actually providing. So all of these are actually verified coupon codes. So let's say I'm interested in this one that is giving me 75% off. So you need to click on the show coupon code, and this is the coupon code that you can copy. Now once you click on the shop option, it will redirect you on moneygram.com, where you need to create your account, and at the time of sending money from your country to any other country, you just have to simply put this code and you are good to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.